Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you like to display your tennis shoes or any shoes on the wall, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give a little overview of our wall mount shoe display? Who might say no, but no way whatsoever this being provided to effect this review. I'm just here to keep it real. Now, what do you get? This is what you get. You also get 2 anchor screws and the screws that come along with that to mount this on the wall. And it's pretty simple. Now this thing is made out of, I think it's like a steel type aluminum. It's definitely a good quality, I would say heavy duty to say the least. Let's see what it looks like when it's mounted. So in this example, when it's mounted on the wall, you can mount your shoe just like this. There's one, and then you stick a second one in there like so. And there you go. You can have your shoes mounted. Now, from a display standpoint, you have about, on the plate here, 8.5 inches of plate right there. And then this is about 6 inches or so this way. So you can fit them in there nice and tight. So if you have a bunch of shoes, then you can have all these mounted up on the wall, all nice and neat, tucked away. It's very shallow mounted, as you can see in this example. And that is super, super cool and convenient. So if you're looking for a wall mount for your shoes that's a little bit different, nice and compact, this just might be the wall mount for you. Hopefully this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.